Good morning, class. Today we discuss the hormones. Hormones are the chemical messengers which are obtained from the mm, natural sources, synthetic sources, and mineral sources. The structure of hormones are consist of four units: V, A ring, B ring, C ring, and D ring. The ABC ring is also known as phenanthrene ring, and the D ring is also known as cyclopentane ring. The cyclopentane ring is consist of 5 units: A, 2, 3, 4, or 5. The whole structure is also known as cyclopentane phenanthrene nucleus. When the two hydrogen atom is attached, they are the cyclopentane perhydrophenanthrene nucleus. Then discuss the types of hormones. The first is growth hormones. The number second is parathyroid hormones, and the third is thyroid hormones. The number fourth is gonadohormones. The fifth is adeno hormones. The gonadal hormones is two types. The first is estrogen, and the number second is progesterone. The adrenal hormones are the different types. The first is corticosteroid hormones. The number second is mineralocorticosteroids hormones. The corticosteroid hormones are important. They maintain the glucose level and as well as cholesterol level. The mineral cortical hormones maintain the minerals levels and other levels. So, firstly, we cover the hormone topic and then discuss the corticosteroids hormones. The corticosteroids hormones is also known as life-saving, life-protecting hormones. Uh, it is a structures of kidney. You see, the upper part is also known as adrenal gland, and it is kidney. The adrenal cortex having a three types: the zone glomerula, zone periculata, zone reticulata. Zone glomerulata is a mineralocorticoids, zone fasciculata is glucocorticoids, and zone reticulata is androgen estrogens. The first is the synthesis is cholesterol. Cholesterol is essential for the lipid balance and as well as maintain the lipids solubilities and lipid viability. The cholesterol converted into the pregallunine, and pregallunine is converted into two versions. The first is progesterone and the number second is corticosterone. The progesterone give the 17 alpha OH progesterones, and the corticosteroid give the aldosterons, and 17 alpha OH hydroxy progesterone give the hydrocortisones. It is a structure of corticosteroids. Uh, Firstly, we have knowledge the corticosteroids is essential for the lipid balance as well as maintain the glucose levels. And mineralocorticoids lead from the aldosterone and maintain the having a physiological rules, maintain the sodium balance and potassium channels. And then discuss the sodium ions. When the concentration of sodium ions is excessive, it increase the BP levels and ECF levels, and the blood volume is also increased, so it produce the hypernatremia and hyponatremia. Hyper means excessive and hyponatremia means lesser. Then we discuss the potassium channel. Potassium is essential for the human bodies, and as well as potassium is an anticoagulant agent. The first is hypokalemia. Hypokalemia, muscles weakness, decrease the muscles weakness and uh, increase and it act on the heart, and it produce the cardiac toxicity. When the hyperkalemia is excessive, it produce the hyper toxicity. Thank you, class.